Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So happy to have you guys along for the journey. What we're going to do right now, taking a look at my notes, we're going to go over JPG.store. So I film a lot of these videos in advance. In fact, I'm doing all 5 tonight. And it's pretty interesting because just about an hour ago, Iagon was down and now it's up. So in terms of my position, so it's crazy how much things change. And yeah, so we're going to talk about JPG Store. So much is happening, specifically with that website, right? That's where you go as the #1 Cardano marketplace for NFTs, and it's changing quite a bit. So we're going to get into the rewards and their token, that type of thing. So before we go there, just wanted to mention you guys should like, comment, and subscribe. I love the comments. It makes my day. Even if it's at 4 a.m., sometimes I'll hit you guys back up. If I put -Mitch or -Moose, that means that I'm the one responding. Now, for the most part, I'm the only one really on there. So even if I don't put that, it's probably still me. So I am starting to grow a little bit, but again, it's still a small channel. So if you do have those questions, let me know and comment down below if you guys want me to start going live. I'm thinking about going live on Saturdays and basically every Sunday. Today I'm filming Monday. I already put out a video, but that's because I had a lot of work going on in my business. It's priority. But also, let me know about Saturdays if that interests you guys. Comment down below. I'll put it to a vote. If nobody comments, then obviously there's no demand for it. So with that being said, let's take a quick look at cornucopias. So right now we are Monday, July 10th at 10:38 p.m. And what's interesting is that Iagon was starting to go back down and now it's starting to pump back up. So it's at 8.5 cents and it's just starting to tear up. So we hit an all-time high of 9.1 cents. If that's the way you want to look at it. So I had a $1,000, a 1,000 ADA position, about $300 on MinSwap. So I was down by like 80 ADA and now I'm up by 22. So just goes to show you that Moose's technical analysis is kind of working. This is not financial advice. But again, I'm basically just creating a little line for the lows, and if it breaks, I'll sell. If it goes above, I might buy more. Whatever I think is happening based on different metrics, okay? So that's going to be with Iagon. I'm going to close out of that page. This is my wallet, and what I want to do is get into JPG Store. Effectively, there's an opportunity here. So JPG Store, I don't know if any of you remember cnft.io. I don't even know if it's working anymore, but that was the place to pick up NFTs. That's where I picked up my boss cat. That's where I picked up the majority of these NFTs about a year or two ago. And what I want to do in this video is show you how amazing JPG Store is and go through some of their updates. So let's do that together. If you want, you should check out the Bubble Jets. And also, if you guys haven't already, we do have an online course. So download the course workbook. I have links for you in the description below if you want to learn how to set up a wallet and do all those things as well. I just wanted to mention that as well. So if you want to learn how to pick up NFTs, if you don't know how, you can go on the channel, right? Go on the channel, go under videos, and type in whatever video you want on Cardano. It's probably going to be there. Okay, so anyways, JPG Store. Look at what is happening here. JPG is here. So it's going to be based on the Earn XP, you'll be able to convert it to JPG. Now there's a lot going on. So we're going to go to view rewards and we'll go into the Moose's rewards specifically. So I am under the right wallet. So if you go to the top right under rewards, you can see I am ranked 324. So I haven't been buying any recently as of the last couple days, but you can see that I've got 4,000 XP. And what it says here is that you can earn, let's go through the whole sentence. So earn XP to rank up and earn JPEG, I believe that's a token, at the end of the season. So again, earn XP to rank up and earn JPEG at the end of the season. The more XP you earn, the more JPEG you get. So you get the XP by the transactions you make, by being active, buying and flipping. What else does it say here? Due to regulatory uncertainty in the US and Canada, where I'm at, Canada, there will be an IP-based geolocation checks that only allow individuals outside of these territories to convert their XP on JPEG. So depending on where you're at, we don't know how much you're going to be able to earn. I don't know if there's going to be a 1-to-1 ratio. Perhaps comment down below if you guys have more info. I'm just kind of doing an overview of this. This is not a tutorial. By the way, this is very hard to read because I have lights and so many reflections going on today. That's why the video looks good, but on my end, I have screens just destroying my vision right now, and the writing's really small. So yes, I am a little dyslexic, but that's fine. I'm still able to read, guys. So anyways, let's zoom in because clearly the moose can barely see. What's really cool though is that it kind of sounds like, there's a potential opportunity. Comment down below. Do you guys think this is an opportunity? I just put down as course title, JPG Store rewards, JPG Explained. So that's what that is. If you're looking for the rewards, it even says here, double XP is active. So for a limited time, earn double the amount of XP for all trading volume and royalties earned on JPG Store, ends August 10th. So take advantage now. If you're looking to pick up an NFT, if you're Nakopi, not financial advice, I recommend Bubble Jets. So you know what? Maybe I'll pick one up right now. Why not? Right? The moose is loose. The moose is loose. Let's go here. Let's buy a Bubble Jet, and we'll start out by this. We have 4,071 XP. We'll see if this even reflects. It may not in a short period of time. So we'll go to Kopi. I'm talking like we're in a rush. That's because I used to have a video cap of 15 minutes, but now I can release longer videos because I got approval, I got more views, so that's been really cool. So I got to learn to just calm down. Calm down, Moose. So let's just pick up a floor one. 178 ADA, not bad. And if you guys are looking to pick up a Bubble Jet, that's what I'm doing because at the end of the day, and I'm sorry, I'm trying to sign a transaction. I'm going to do this in real time. This is why you want a hardware wallet. When it comes to cornucopias, the racing game is coming out first. So if you do pick up a Bubble Jet or a vehicle, or if you got into the mint by now, the mint is probably over by the time you watch this. So I did a how to prepare video. But to make a long story short, I recommend the Bubble Jets if you're looking for an NFT to try out. Not financial advice. So I just signed a confirmation there. So I'm bringing up the floor price, guys. This was the moose doing this. So if we go to my wallet, it says we have 10. Now we have 11. So we just bought another Bubble Jet because I didn't have enough before. Moose is loose. So if we take a look, now I'm going to be earning less Dega. It's somewhere here. I've got tons of stuff. Why did I do that, by the way? Yeah, so we want to see the rewards. So 4,071 XP, not reflected. Hopefully, maybe I'll do another video and we will see if, I can hit 5,000 XP. So at the end of the day, there's got to be more. How XP works. So this is what I wanted to get into. So click external site, sure. Hopefully we don't get scammed. So how does XP work? XP is a reward system that tracks and rewards user activity on JPG Store. Every transaction, both buying and selling, earns XP, of course. We talked about that. For each transaction, buyers earn XP equivalent to the amount they spent in ADA. Sellers earn XP based on the value of the item they sold. Example, if an NFT is sold for 500 ADA, the buyer receives 500 XP. And so does the seller. So it looks like maybe we'll get a couple hundred XP for that. Note, the Season 1's theme is double XP. In the figures example, would be doubled for both the buyer and seller. So maybe we get doubled. So what I want to know is the token. Let's see if there's something about token. When can I convert my XP? Let's see this. So August 10th, that's when you can convert. Now again, I don't know based on Canada, US, most of you are probably from the US or Canada, hopefully. And yeah, like I think this is definitely really cool, guys. So let me know if you guys are excited about the XP. Let me know if you guys have a lot of XP. Actually, comment down below. I'd like to know who has the most XP. Maybe it's Moose. Again, we will just do another refresh. So the Moose has 4,000. Oh, there we go. It did update. 4,000. I'm going to buy another one. I'm going to buy another one, guys. Like, Moose is loose. I'm going to buy another one. Like, why not get 5,000 right now? I'm just going to buy up the floor. I might as well sweep them. I'm going to sweep these. Actually, I don't know if you guys heard about that sweeping feature. Wonder if I could do it. Nah, I can't do it right now. Anyways, we're going to buy another one, though. I actually have it on a list of goals. I do want to have 50 bubble jets. I feel like they're going to go to 1,000 ADA a piece. By the way, it's Monday, July 10th, 2023. I think bubble jets are going to go from 180 ADA to 1,000. And to prove this, in terms of my belief system, I am signing transactions to purchase. Look at that. Just confirmed. And the Moose is going to have 12 bubble jets. Not enough, but I'm getting there. So we're going to see an ad here in real time. Once that happens, we'll go back and we'll see if we're at 5,000 rewards. The Moose is getting loose, guys. Moose is getting loose. Look at that. Oh, man. Doing all this for the channel. Love you all. Comment down below. Do you guys have more than 12 bubble jets? I want to know. I don't have 12 yet, but I will in probably a minute or so. So let's see. Looks like the transaction's still pending. It's like, did this transaction even go through? What's going on? So it looks like we're trying to get some more here. Pending transaction, it says 1 minute. This asset is being bought, yeah, by me. If we go to activity, of course, we have a public blockchain on our hands. So I bought this a minute ago, so I bought 2. By the way, I flipped a Kong. I sold a piece of land. I didn't flip a Kong because I bought it for $5.54 and sold it for $5.54. I just wanted to get out. So sometimes I take a small loss because after fees, I'm taking a loss on that. This should be reflected. I don't know. It's taking a bit of time. But anyways, guys, I should be close to 5,000 XP. What is going on? There we go, 5,000. So it is doubling. I might buy 15. I might buy 15 bubble jets right now. My ranking went up. See, this is where they add the gamified, right? Starbucks, get the tokens. You know, Netflix, whatever it is, right? I don't know if Netflix has it, but you get the tokens, right? Yeah, like, that's pretty cool. I would like to think that I'm going to get 5,500 JPEG tokens. I don't know, right? I don't think there's anywhere that even says that. But I'm just doing this because that's what I would actually buy anyways. And what I could do is just buy and sell. So I'm going to give you guys some advice here, potentially. Sorry, not financial advice, but what you could do is you could buy it and sell it for about the same, maybe make a bit of profit. so that you don't pay too much in fees, and that could earn you a lot of XP. So that might be a way to go, actually. Just something I'm thinking about, right? Maybe I'll sweep 5 chilled Kongs, sell them at floor, make a small profit or break even, and I get all the XP. So maybe that's strategy. Comment down below if you guys agree. So, a couple things to close off. Check out the link in the description below. You can get the workbook and the course files for the free Cardano course. Go to the channel, go to homepage, and it's called the Cardano mini course. So check that out, and this is the link. It will take you to this, and you get access to the files. If you guys do not have a hardware wallet, I just used it. I didn't even like plan for this. This isn't me selling you on my affiliate link, but I do have one, of course. If you guys have a lot of crypto, use a hardware wallet. It is the best way, the necessary way to protect your digital assets, both fungible and non-fungible. All right. So the moose is loose. We have 12 bubble jets on the road to 50. I love you all. I absolutely adore you all. And I hope you enjoyed this video. A little walkthrough of JPG Store and their rewards. So hopefully we can convert these tokens. One more thing. Let's see Iagon. It's got to pump. We're pumping. Gotta go. Love you all.